Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use one name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use a single name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for this application VPN LAT. You can see if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to open this VPN LAT application, and then you can see you have to select the server to Indonesia, and then you choose the second option, which is the Jakarta. So you need to make sure you have selected Indonesia server, and you can see I have already connected to it. So once you go through, you can see all you need to do is to select Indonesia, and then you choose the second option, which is the Indonesia Jakarta. You can see I have connected to it. So once you have connected to this server, all you need to do is to open your Facebook over here. So just look for your Facebook application and then open your Facebook application over here. Now once you open your Facebook application, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Just click on that. Click on the your profile, the three lines at the upper right corner. Just click on that, and you can see the settings button over here. Just click on that. Now once you click on the settings, all you need to do is to scroll down. Once you click on the settings, just scroll down. So once you click on the settings, you have to scroll down. So just wait as it is loading over here. So just wait for some time, just wait for a while, and you can see over here, once you click on the settings, just scroll down to where you can see meter. Just click on the meter over here, and once you click on the meter, you can see your profile. Just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you can see just wait as it is loading over here. So you have to click on the account. You can see I have already changed my name into a single name. So if you want to change your name to a single name, just click on your name, and then once you click on your name, you can see over here, just wait for some time. So you need to make sure you have connected to the Indonesia VPN, and once you click on your name, you can see the first name and the last name. All you need to do is to choose the single name at the first name. So you have to, the first name, you have to select your single name, and the last name, all you need to do is to just enter a space bar. So the first name, you have to enter your first name, and the last name, you just enter a space bar. And after doing this, all you need to do is to add that changes, and you can see my name has been changed into a single name. I have already done it. Please, if you are using iOS, all you need to do is to log into your account on a different device. You have to, if you are using iOS, just log into your account on a different device, and after doing that, your account will be changed. So you have to log into your account on an Android phone, so that you do this, and by using this VPN LAT, your account will be used a single name. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new